Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.6, Problem 10. This is Section 3.6, Problem 10. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 2/9. Now, again, with all the problems from this section, if you have a calculator, the easy way to do it is use the calculator, do the numerator divided by the denominator equals, and you'll get it. But a lot of classes for this, the teacher doesn't want you to use the calculator, so how would you do it without a calculator? What you have to do is set up a division. The numerator of the fraction goes under the division symbol. The denominator goes in front. Now you want to divide 9 into 2. Now 2 is not big enough for 9 to go into at all. So what you have to do is write the 2 as 2.0, treat it as if it's a 20, but that decimal goes straight up into the answer. 9 will fit into 20. It'll go in twice. 2 times 9 is 18. And now 20 minus 18 is 2. So it didn't go in evenly. That's okay. What we can do is just write another 0 and pull it down. So 2.00, pull this 0 down, and I'm going into 20 again. So 9 will fit into 20. It'll go in 2 times. So 2 times 9 is 18. And when I subtract 20 minus 18, it's 2 again. So what's going to happen is I can keep adding zeros and bring them down. Every time it's going to be a 20. So 9's still going to go into 20 2 times. 2 times 9 is 18. I'm going to get another 2, which is going to become another 20. Going to get 18, another 0, become remainder 2. It never stops. The 2's never stop. Every time I add a 0, the number on top is going to be a 2. It'll never end. So you can say that the answer is 0.222, put a few, and then put ... indicating that it continues forever. That notation is fine. If you write that, you've got the right answer. But a little shorter way to write it is to write the 0.2 and put a line over the 2. That means that this happens, that the 2's continue forever and never end. And it's just a little simpler and less writing. That's a standard symbol for any type of math. With any of these, if you don't have a whole number in front, you can write a decimal as a 0 if you want to. You don't have to. You can say 0.2 with a line or 0.2 with a line.